Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Eli at Kingswood Performance and 4x4 here. Today, or this evening, we have this, a stunning Aston Martin Vantage V8. It's a 69 plate, registered end of 2019, so it's not even a year old yet. It's done just over 1,000 miles. It's got a superb specification, costing just short of £145,000 new, less than a year ago. You can get this today at £105,000 we're selling it for, or £104,995. And it has a huge specification in the best colour, that obsidian jet black metallic. It's got a beautiful sort of silver fleck in the paint. It's got the best wheels. These were a £3,500 option for these 20-inch gloss black wheels with the polished accents, the red brake calipers, everything in gloss black. So these vents here in gloss black. You can see there this has been detailed by our detailer today, so you can see literally every single metallic fleck there in the paint. Looks absolutely stunning. It's gleaming. Everything's in gloss black or matte black or satin black on this car. So it was optioned to be completely blacked out or murdered out, as they say these days. So even the exhaust tips in satin black, that's an option. I've listed all the options in the specs. You can see everything that this car comes with. It's a beautiful, beautiful Aston Martin is this. Great example. Certainly one of the nicest I've seen, one of the best spec. So some of the options this has got is all-round parking sensors and 360 surround view or top view cameras. It's got a fantastic carbon fibre steering wheel, which I love, with the carbon gear shift paddles. I'll show you that now. So let's open the inside. First of all, it's got the best interior. I love the all Alcantara interior. I don't like the full leather. I think the Alcantara makes it feel sporty and special. Whereas the full leather, I think, yeah, it's lovely, but doesn't quite feel as special a place to be in. It's got the black carpets, black carpet mats, and everything else in Alcantara. Doors, dash, seats, leather grab handles and leather here with the black stitching and the gloss black. And then the seats have got the Alcantara with the leather striping down the centre. This is the steering wheel. I think this was about £2,000, this option. So there's a carbon steering wheel with leather. Feels lovely. It's got carbon gear shift paddles. Feel absolutely fantastic. Everything else covered in Alcantara. You've got a lovely frameless rear view mirror there. The headlining in Alcantara. Everything else in gloss black. It's got the Aston Martin tracker option, so it's got a tracker fitted with 2 fobs. So you don't need to get another one fitted if your insurance requires it. So this one's got it there. And you just need to pay subscription. Obviously you've got the balance of the Aston Martin warranty and 5-year service pack with the car. So if we switch on the ignition, so here is your cameras. So do we need to turn on the engine for that? I'm not sure. Let's try. Possibly yes. Let's just close this door. Hit the engine start button. Flashes red. Fantastic. So this has got the glass switch option, so that's really nice. You've got this lovely knurled finish. But yeah, if I put it in reverse, you've got the 360 top view cameras there, which is great. You can obviously alter those settings. Let's put it back in park. So that button there takes you direct to the cameras. Obviously for radio, you've got DAB, your media systems, you've got Bluetooth audio, various other options for playing back music, and then of course you've got navigation, telephone, etc. It is all very similar to if you've had a Mercedes, because it is all based on Mercedes media systems, so you'll be familiar with it if you have done. And of course the engine's familiar. It's the C63S, 503 horsepower. Sounds absolutely fantastic. You can actually press the S button here. I don't know if you can hear that and here, but it changes the tone instantly. It opens the valves in the exhaust, and when you drive on Sport Plus mode, you can hear the snap, crackles and bangs as you go through the gears. And then you've also got track mode as well. Probably not suitable for an open road, I should suggest. But yeah, that's your normal comfort mode. Then of course you can adjust the suspension, although that does adjust as well with the sport mode. You've got voice control. You can obviously cancel that there. Then your phone buttons there, your gear shift panels, automatic lights, wing mirrors, tail boot lid, heated seats, etc, etc, etc. So everything's there as you'd want. This one's also got the what's it called, electric steering column. Nice thing to have, I think. It just makes things a bit easier. Then you've got here, I don't know if you can see, you've got your cruise control, and then you've got your wipers there, and then nothing on this side. And then that is pretty much it for our Aston Martin V8 Vantage. Obviously your seats are all here, as you'd expect. I'll just get out the car now. That's it. So give us a call if you're interested in this car. We do offer fantastic finance packages. We offer nationwide delivery to your door. It's £1.50 on an open trailer or £2 a mile on an enclosed trailer. Obviously the car's got warranty with Aston Martin. First service isn't yet due. So yeah, it's absolutely spot on. If you fancy a very high spec V8 Vantage, please do give us a call. We're more than happy to discuss it with you. If you've got any comments, then please put them below and I'll do my best to answer. And in the meantime, subscribe to our YouTube channel for all our latest stock. Thank you very much for watching, and we will see you on the next video. Good night.